Do you store important files in the cloud? If yes, listen carefully. Your data might not be as safe as you think. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll share 5 simple cloud security tips to keep your files 100% safe. Your first line of defense. A strong password. Make sure it's long, unique, and hard to guess. And here's a pro tip. Turn on two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security that hackers hate. Want extra protection? Encrypt your files before uploading. This way, even if someone gets access, they can't read your data without a special key. Think of it like locking your files inside a digital safe. Not all cloud storage services are secure. Stick to trusted providers like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. These platforms use strong encryption and regular security updates to keep your data safe. Imagine waking up one day and your cloud account is locked. Scary, right? That's why you should always keep a backup of your important files either on an external hard drive or another cloud service. Your cloud security is only as strong as your device's security. Keep your antivirus updated, enable your firewall, and avoid logging in from public Wi-Fi. Hackers love free Wi-Fi, but you shouldn't. So are you ready to protect your cloud storage? Try these tips today and keep your data safe. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech security tips. And tell me in the comments what's your favorite cloud security trick.